Hello everyone! In this video, we will talk about email services. This is an addition to your Google Workspace. You need to have a professional email which you've already set up, and now we're moving on to the sending domain. We're going to create a dedicated sending domain so that all the automations and emails integrated into your SaaS account, your agency, and all your client sub-accounts are automatically set up with a subdomain that sends out emails through the CRM, specifically through GoHighLevel. What you need to do is go to Email Services, which is found right below the phone integration section we previously covered. It might look a little different on your screen. Click on Dedicated Domain. You'll see several entries here, but the goal is to create a different subdomain specifically for your own account. Having a dedicated sending domain for each client can improve deliverability. For now, as you're just getting started, use something like ly.yourdomain.com or mail.yourdomain.com or replies.yourdomain.com. Something distinct from what you'll use for sending automated emails from your sub-account or agency. When clients sign up, they'll automatically begin using this subdomain. To set this up, go to GoDaddy and create something like replies.yourdomain.com. Add and verify it, and a list of records will be provided that need to be added to your DNS. If you're using GoDaddy, it may try to integrate automatically, but otherwise, you can manually click on Add Records. From there, go to your DNS records. Similar to what we've done before, select TXT and input the host information in your hosting provider. You'll notice that in the record, something like KRS might appear. You don't need to copy the entire value. Instead, just copy the initial part, the host name, from that line. The value section will be a long code. Copy that whole code as it is. So, for each record, enter the host portion without the full subdomain and domain and the required value. There's also a help video available you can watch for more guidance. Once everything is set up, you won't need to return to this section unless you're configuring specific sending domains for individual clients. For now, just complete the setup for yourself and then proceed to the next part. The reason we're doing this is so that all automations and client emails will be sent from this subdomain. When you onboard your clients, their emails will automatically sync into the Conversations tab, allowing all incoming and outgoing messages to be centrally managed. This ensures seamless communication, with emails and text messages appearing inside GoHighLevel while also being delivered to their Google Workspace or regular Gmail. Proper configuration at this stage also enhances email deliverability and maintains a consistent professional sender identity across all accounts. Need to set yours up? You'll find a free 14-day GoHighLevel trial link below. Check it out.